welcome to Vichu's Vlogs and Reacts. So today we are going to see how to solve the 3x3 cube using the beginner's method. But before we solve this, let's see some moves. So the first move is R. That means your right side clockwise. This is R. And the next move is R prime. That means your right side anti-clockwise. Like this. This is R, R prime. And then the next is L. L means your left side clockwise. Like this. This is L. And the next move is L prime. That means your left side anti-clockwise. This is L prime. L, L prime. The next move is U. That means your top layer clockwise. Like this. And then the next move is U prime. That means your top layer anti-clockwise. And the next move is D. That means your downside clockwise. And then D prime means your downside anti-clockwise. So this is D, D prime, U, U prime. And then let's see the next move. The next move is F. That means your face clockwise. Your face clockwise. And F prime means face anti-clockwise. Like this. This is F, F prime. The next move is M. Means your middle layer clockwise. So this is M. And M prime means your middle layer anti-clockwise. So this is M prime. M, M prime. So let's see how to solve the cube. So now let's scramble the cube. Okay, now the cube is scrambled. Now what you have to do is select any centerpiece. So before we move to how to solve the cube, let's see the pieces. So the pieces are center pieces, edge pieces and corner pieces. So these are the center pieces. These all are the center pieces. So the center pieces never move. We can move it like this, but their position never changes. And then the next one is edge piece. Edge piece means this one. The pieces that has two colors on it is called the edge piece. And then the next one is corner piece. Corner piece means these ones which have three colors. So let's see how to solve the cube. So to solve the cube, you have to choose your favorite center color. Not favorite, you can choose any random center color. So now I am choosing yellow. So what you have to do is, you have to look for the opposite side. So the opposite side of yellow is white. You can see the opposite center is white. So what you have to do is, make a white cross. Not make a white cross, we have to surround white edges here. So let's see how it looks. So once you finish, it will look like this. It will look like a flower. So let's see how to make this. So to make this, I have chosen yellow. So what you have to do is, you have to insert this edge piece here. So to insert that, what you have to do is, just do like this and like this. So you can see that this is inserted. And here we have, this is so easy, you can just turn it up. And then here we have again, but if you move it up, this gets broken. So what you have to do is, move the place where there is no edge piece inserted. And then just move it up. And then we have the last one here. So to insert that here, what you have to do is, turn till the place where it's empty and just move it up. You can see that it's formed. So now let's see what is the second step. The second step is, you have to consider these white pieces as the petal of this flower. So what you have to do is, match each petal with its correct center color. So here it's matched with red. So this color is orange. So how to make it line up with orange means, you can just turn this and see when orange comes. So when your orange is matched, what you have to do is, turn your face 2 times or F2. It's called F2, F2. Or your face clockwise 2 times. You have to do the same step with other petals. Here we have a green. So this is our one petal. We have green. Let's match it with green. Once it's matched, turn your face twice. Then here we have red. Let's match it with red. It's matched. Turn your face 2 times. And here we have a last one. That's blue. Let's match it and turn it 2 times. Now you can see that you have a white cross. So we do not mind these corner pieces. You can just look at the cross. Now the next step is to insert the corner pieces. So to insert the corner pieces, what you have to do is, you have to search for a corner piece, white corner piece here in the top layer. So we don't have any of them in the top layer. Here we have one. So to move it to the top layer, what you have to do is, you can do like this and keep it back. So the cross is not broken, and here we have the white corner piece up there. So what we have to do next is, we have to look at the side color. So the side color is green. So once you get green, what you have to do is, you have to match it diagonally with its centerpiece. So now it's matched with orange, now it's blue, now it's red, now green. So once it's green, it's matched diagonally. What you have to do is, now before that you have to always hold the cross down. Okay, you have to hold the cross down, and then you have matched it diagonally. And what you have to look is, you have to look if the white side is facing to the left or to the right. Now it's facing to the left. So if it faces to the left, there is an algorithm which you can do. It's very easy. That is L prime, U prime, L. You can see that it's inserted here. So you have to do the same thing with other corner pieces also. Here we have a corner piece. Side color is orange. So let's match it diagonally with orange. It's matched. And then what you have to do is, look whether it's on the right or left. Now the white is facing towards the right. So if it's facing towards the right, there's an algorithm. So we have to do that. That is called as R, U, R prime. You can see that this will be also inserted. Now here we have another one. That's already matched diagonally with orange. And we have to look if the white is facing towards right or the left. Now it's facing towards the left. So what you have to do is, the left side move that I told you earlier, L prime, U prime, L. Now here we have the last one. It's red. Let's match it with red. It's matched diagonally with red. Now what you have to do is, look, it's facing in which side. You have to look it's facing in which side. Now what you have to do is, check whether it's looking on the right side or the left side. So it's facing towards the left side. So we have to do the same algorithm. That is L prime, U prime, L. Now you can see that your white will be fully solved, and your first layer will be also solved. Wow, we finished the first layer. So now let's see how to solve the second layer. To solve the second layer, what you have to do is, hold this white side down, and you have to look for edge pieces that does not have yellow. So here we have yellow, it's yellow and red. Here also we have yellow, yellow and blue. Here also we have yellow and orange. And here we have a edge piece without yellow, that's green and red. So what you have to do is, match it vertically like this. This is red, we have to match it with red. And once it's matched vertically, what you have to do is, look at the top color. Look at the top color of this edge, it's green, right? So what you have to do is, look whether the green is on the right side or on the left side. That means we should look whether the green centerpiece is on the right side or the left side. Now it's on the right side. So what you have to do is, there's an algorithm. That is, it goes like this. U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U prime, F. So that's how it goes. So you can see that the second layer is being formed. So we have to do the same thing with other edge pieces also. And then here we have an edge piece. So we have to move this here. You have to move this up. So what you can do is, R, U, R prime. R, U, R prime. So you can see that this gets broken. So to replace it here, what you have to do is, just turn the cube like this. And then you can do, so it's facing the left side. So you can do the L prime, U prime, L. So you can see that it does not get broken, and the edge piece that was here gets on the top also. So now it's an edge piece without yellow. So it's blue and orange. So you have to match it vertically with blue, and look if orange is on the right or left side of blue. So it's on the left side of blue. So if it's on the left side, you have to do this algorithm. U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, F, U, F prime. So you can see that the second layer is being formed again. Then here we have another edge piece without yellow. Match it vertically with orange, and green is on the left side. So what you have to do is the algorithm, which the left side algorithm, we can name it like that. That is U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, F, U, F prime. So you can see that the second layer is being formed, and the last one is red and blue. So the red and blue is here, so it's not on the top layer. So what you have to do is you have to move to the top. So what I have to do is R, U, R prime. Now this gets broken. So what you have to do is just turn it like this, and then you have to do L. It's facing on the left side. So the same thing that we done first, L prime, U prime, L. Then we have the last edge piece in the top layer. So what you have to do is match it vertically with blue and see if the red is on the left or right. It's on the right side. So let's do the right side move. That's shown on the screen. It is U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U prime, F. Now you can see that your second layer is solved. Wow! Now the next step is not to solve the third layer. But before solving the third layer, we move to the yellow. So let's see how to solve the yellow. How to solve the yellow is, so the goal is to make a cross. So now we get an L. You can see here there's an L. We don't need to consider this. L, we have L. So what you have to do is, if you get an L, you have to hold it in the 9 o'clock position. That's like this. 9 o'clock position. This is 9 and this is 12. And then do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. You can see now a cross is made. So there are more cases that can happen. Let's see those cases. Now the next case is if you get a line. So if you get a line, what you have to do is hold it horizontally, like this. Hold it horizontally. What you have to do is, there's an algorithm to make the cross. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. So now you can see that there's a cross formed. So even if you get a dot, only the center yellow piece, if you get, you have to do the same algorithm that I showed you for L. But if you get L, now our cross is made. Now what you have to do is solve the yellow layer. So to solve this, here we have a case. So it looks like a fish. Looks like a fish. See, this is his tail and this is its body. So if you get a fish-like structure, what you have to do is hold it like this. So hold it in the fish position like this. Its tail should be facing like this. And then what you have to do is, if you have a yellow piece here, you can solve it right now. That is R, U, R prime, U, R, U 2 times R prime. You see the yellow is solved. So let's see other cases. So the next case is, you get a fish, but you don't have a yellow piece here. You don't have a yellow piece here. Even if you hold it in the position, you don't have. So what you have to do is hold it just like this. It should face there. And what you have to do is, here we have a yellow piece. What you have to do is L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime. You can see that it's solved. So let's see the next cases. No, there are not any other cases. You have to do R, U, R prime, U, R, U 2 times R prime till you get the fish leg thing. So, and once you get that, you get these two cases and you can solve the yellow layer fully. Now the next step is to see whether we have a headlight. Headlight means the thing that is shown right now on the screen. That means here we have the same colors, here the different color, but we don't have that. So to get a headlight, what you have to do is hold on any position you like. So we can hold like this, and we have to do an algorithm. L prime U R U prime L U R prime R U R prime U R U 2 times R prime. So now we got a headlight. So once if you get a headlight, what you have to do is hold it on your left side. And do the same algorithm. L prime U R U prime L U R prime R U R prime U R U 2 times R prime. Now you see you get everywhere headlights. So now once you get all the headlights, what you have to do is, here we have a case. So let's look at the case. So this case is, here we have blue and this should go here, and green which should come here, and if you turn like this, red that should go there, and orange that should come here. So each pieces should move to its opposite side. So if you get a case like that, what you have to do is, you have to do this algorithm. M2 U prime M2 U prime 2 times M2, and then again U prime M2. Your cube is solved. So now your cube is solved, but there will be some more cases. So let's see the cases. So now the next case is, if you have one side solved and other solved headlights, what you have to do is, you have to do this algorithm. F2 U prime R prime L F2 L prime R U prime F2. So it will be solved. So sometimes it will not be solved if you do with one side solved. So if you get to one side solved, you should always hold in the back and you should do the algorithm. Sometimes if you do that algorithm, you will get again headlights and one side solved. So hold that one side, the solved side on the back, and do the same algorithm, it will be solved. So this is how we solve the 3x3 cube, friends. So thank you for watching today's video, friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you learned how to solve the cube from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't like, please dislike the video. So bye friends, and thank you for watching today's video.